Here I am. Welcome to Blessed and Beautiful. My name is Renee, and I am so glad to have you all here today. Thank you so much for all those who've been praying for me. Also, ladies who are here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for sitting on the front row and still hanging with me. And if you are a visitor, welcome. Come on and sit on the front row with the Slaydees. We have the most expansive front row in YouTube history. Everyone sits on the front row. So we hope that you're enjoying what you see today. And if you do, if you like Boxycharm, if you like my personality, and if you like some of the other things that we do around here on this channel, such as the prayer corner, try it or pass by it, and even some makeup tutorials, then I hope that you would subscribe and then tap the bell, because every time I upload a video, you will be able to be right here on the front row with me. I do plan to get back to some lives as well. I just had to get through this stuff that I'm going through. You know, life happens sometimes. So, getting through that. But you didn't want to hear about life happening and all that. You want to hear about Boxycharm. So let's get on to it. Here we are. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription for makeup and skincare, we've been finding out. And you get 5 full-size items. Whoops. Excuse me. Do you have your snack and drink? Whoa, y'all, I have some butter pecan signature latte from Dunkin' Donuts. I don't get them often because then I'll be like really hyper. But yeah, this is good. So I got my snack and my drink. My snack is a blueberry muffin. So, here we go. All right. So as I was saying, this is 5 full-size items. Should be at least $125 for the retail value of all of the items in the box. They always have a theme each month. And this is Boxycharm Go All Out. So here's a picture of the card. And it just has everybody getting out after this year of pandemic that we've had. Everybody's getting out, but please get out safely. Here is my number, C2108046-BA. And this is telling me that this is from August of 2021, and my variation is 46, and this is the base box. Now, I had to let go of the premium box for financial reasons, but we're just going to stick with this box for now. Let's see if they live up to my beauty quiz. Yeah. All right. So I peeked in here earlier, so I'm going to pull out what I know is in here. And that is the Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist. Y'all, I love this packaging. First of all, the yellow and white is very, very nice. And this is a part of my routine that I would use after cleansing. So it's kind of like a toner. And it mists. It's a very nice mist. I just sprayed it. It's very nice. You're not going to have a ton of water being sprayed on you. It's a nice mist. And look at this bottle. Forgot to put the top back on. So it looks like this when you take it out of your box. And I love the yellow up here, and then it has this ombre effect down to this frosted glass bottle. I love it. It feels so nice and luxe. And if I remember, the retail price is $38. And it says that this is it's formulated with pineapple enzymes, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants, which give you a healthy glow. It's lightweight, fast absorbing, it deeply penetrates and hydrates the skin. $38 from Clean Skin Club. Check out this mist. Isn't that nice? Now, I smelled it too much earlier, went up my nose, and yeah, so did it again. I'm gonna have to hold my nose when I spray this because it's a mist and it's in the air. So, but it smells a very subtle fragrance of pineapple. Very nice and clean, not over the top for those who don't like fragrance. You may not mind this because it's very citrusy. It's not like floral or perfumey at all. So that's the first item. $38 on the list so far. So let's keep going. I hope everybody's having a wonderful summer. I am. Very relaxing. I do wish I had been getting out more to do stuff, but because of my immune system being compromised, yeah, still staying in, still wearing my mask too. All right, next I have the Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. This was my choice because every time you order your base, you get a choice, one that you get to choose in your box, the other four are curated according to your beauty quiz. Let's see if they did that this time. All right, so this is Iconic London, and this costs $35. It's the Ultimate Bronzing Powder, and it's perfect for creating all over sun-kissed warmth. It defines and sculpts your face. Look at this. Isn't this nice? This is really nice. It has a natural matte finish, and it says you can fake a just stepped off the beach bronze look all year round. It's a silky powder. It sits comfortably on the skin, and it skims effortlessly over pores and fine lines to give you a flawless finish. $35. This reminds me of one that I have from Makeup Obsession or Makeup Revolution. That's what it is. Oh wow, look at this. Look how big this pan is. And they put this little sticker on here so I'm not blinding you all to death, but look at that. Oh, I love this. I hope this is a good color for me. I think I chose this color. This is deep bronze. And basically you sweep it over your cheekbones, onto the bridge of your nose, along your hairline. Wow. Okay, let's try this. Let's see how this looks. It doesn't have a smell. It's a little kick up, but not anything horrible. I like it. It's not too heavy. Like one of them I have is like extremely dark. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm liking this. I can't see as much as I would like to. It's a little light. I think this will work more for me during the fall and winter, but I like it. I really do. It's giving me just a touch, just a little touch. All right, so I love this. And as I said, this was my choice, $35. All right, so I think we're up to $74. All right, let's see what's next.
Package looked like it wasn't put together right. Anyway, I'm going to have to contact Boxycharm. But this is some makeup wipes, and they have charcoal, which is what I was expecting with these black wipes. And let's see, it removes your makeup. It removes even waterproof mascara. Alright, so we're going to try these out when I'm done right before I sign off. Because I'm not going anywhere else today, so we can see how well those work. Let's see what it says. It says, I am Beauty Care Charcoal and Dead Sea Minerals Makeup Remover Wipes. These wipes are infused with charcoal and dead sea minerals to detoxify your pores and clear away all traces of dirt, oil, makeup, and impurities. Keep your skin clean anywhere, anytime, no excuses. The wipes are formulated to deep clean, purify, and detoxify your skin. That sounds like a commercial. Okay, $12. Alright, that's about 3 times the amount that I usually pay, but if they're charcoal and they remove everything, I'm for it. So wipes are not bad on my list. I can use some wipes. So let's see if I wet them a little bit and then kind of refill this with that help. Because, yeah, we're going to move to the next product. Thank you, United States Postal Service. Thank you very much for destroying my box here. Good thing I didn't destroy this inside.
Alright, let's take this out. This is the Kate Somerville? Yes. This is called Exfoliate. Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glows a moisturizer. And let's see. I can't read all of that. Let's pull these readers out. Not bad. It's orange writing, but it's just tiny. Oh yeah, now we can see. It says use only as directed. Don't use it around your eyes. Oh, you could get a sunburn. So if you use this, you need to make sure you wear some sunscreen. Okay, good to know. Alrighty. Alright, we won't try to read the box. Let's see what it says. Kate Somerville Revive Dull Dry Lackluster Looking Skin with Kate Exfoliates Glow Moisturizer. yes, I do like moisturizers. I did say that I like that, so good job, Boxy. If I had to choose some skincare moisturizer, it would definitely be one of them. All right, so you take this off. I like that they have this to make sure it didn't pop out like the other stuff did. It's a very nice, subtle, clean scent. I like it. I've never had anything from Kate Somerville, so I'm excited to get this. All right, that's the texture of it. You can see that. And, oh, it's nice and creamy. Feels really good. And I know I'm going to need a moisturizer because I got a few of them that are running low. So, yes, definitely can use this. And this is $70. Ooh, 70. All right. We are up to 144, I think. So we've already surpassed the 125. Not bad. Loving that. All right. Poor little box, but it's a good thing I don't need the box. I try to keep them sometimes, but there goes that idea. All right. Moving on. So far, I'm loving everything. Should be the last product. And it's a palette. I'm excited. Yes. I'm so happy. So I have two makeup products, two skincare, and I'll let the wipes slide a little since, you know, I could really use them. So not bad, Boxycharm. Did get me some makeup in here, so let's see what's in this palette. This is the Grown Woman palette from Give Them Lala Beauty. And I think I saw this last month in some people's boxes. Let's see. Give Them Lala Beauty, the Grown Woman palette. Say hello to gorgeous eye palette with earthy sunset colored mattes and foiled shadows. Includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery soft and silky to the touch. Wow. Loving that. All right. Sorry, I had to check. All right, look at this. This is the way it looks. It's all white, but it has like a marble effect on it. I don't know if you can see that. Nice and sleek. It's kind of like that matte packaging. And when you open her up, okay, here are the colors. Look at that. I could use these because this is very neutral. It's a neutral palette. I don't want to swatch it though because I'm getting ready to do some organizing and some decluttering. And I'm going to check to make sure I don't have this type of palette. If I don't, I will keep it. If I do, then I will pass this on to a giveaway. All right. So, loving this. I like the names too. Stepmom, the wife, boss lady. Yeah, this is a really nice palette. So the ingredients are on the back, so if you don't want to keep the box, you don't have to. Excuse me. Oh, I need to drink. Sorry, y'all. Excuse me. Say hello to this gorgeous eye palette with earthy sunset colored mattes, foiled shadows, $42. Okay. I guess that's about what people are paying for palettes. It's a 9-pan palette, so I think that's a little higher than normal, but I think it's about in the in the area of some of the more expensive palettes that are out there. Definitely not a drugstore price. So we'll see how well that works, but I'm excited that I even have this palette. I have makeup this month. So let's go back over and see what items I have and what is the total retail price for the items in this box. Okay, I am back, and this 5 products came up to $197 retail price. I only paid $25, so I have gotten my money's worth. So I do like Boxycharm, and I'm glad that they got me back moving towards the makeup. And I got 2 makeup items, 2 skincare items, and 1 kind of in between. So I'll hold on for another month and see how much I like this just getting the base box with Boxycharm. Now, in this box, I got the Give Them Lala Beauty Palette. I got the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. I got the Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist. I got my Busted Up AM Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals Charcoal Makeup Remover Wipes. Say that 8 times fast. And I got the Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder, and it is in the shade Deep Bronze. $197 value. Well, that's all that's in my box, and I can say that I'm pretty happy this month. So stay with me, hang with me, so that you'll see what I think about these products. And I'm going to use the wipes now to see if that's a good, if it's following what it said, that it was going to remove makeup and stuff. So let's see if it works. Now, y'all remember that the side is busted and there's not that much water inside of here. So they might not do their job. But I do have a container that I can re-wet them. So let's see how they do. It is a little damp still, but yeah, they busted up this box. Somebody threw it. You had to throw that hard to make that pop like that. Okay. I don't think it's enough product on here for me to use them. I thought it would be, but it's not. So I'm definitely going to let Boxycharm know. But in the meantime, I will sit them in one of my extra containers and just put a little water in there and see if that helps until they send me some new ones. But look, pretty much gone. I love charcoal. I have charcoal cleansers, so not bad. Would have been nice to see how they work, fully. But not bad for the little bit that's on here. So, what do you all think? Put some comments down below. If you enjoyed this video and you have some of these products in your Boxycharm box, put it down below. I'd love to know what you got inside your box. I'd love to know if Boxy is meeting your expectations as far as how much skincare and how much makeup you get in your box. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And you know what we say around here, whether it's day or evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, I hope that it is good. Don't forget to pray because we really need it. And then don't forget to slay. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.